I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the back cover now. Place the Ti-30xs face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Use a small Phillips to remove the 2 visible screws, then set them aside where you won't lose them. Once done, insert a thin spudger between the seam and gently work along the top to release plastic clips. Slow, even pressure prevents cracking. You're starting the actual disassembly, so pay attention to clip locations and keep track of screws for reassembly. Now you'll access and swap the coin cell. Identify whether your model uses CR2032 or CR1620 and confirm the polarity marking. This matters for proper function. Using non-metal tweezers or a plastic pick, lift the old battery from its holder and dispose of it responsibly. Slide the new cell in with the same orientation, making sure it sits flat and the contacts touch cleanly. A poor connection causes intermittent power. Once seated, visually inspect. Finish by aligning the back cover and pressing along the seams until all clips engage. Make sure there are no gaps, then reinstall the 2 screws and tighten until snug, not so tight that you strip threads. Power on the calculator and run basic functions like 1+1 and memory recall to verify operation. If the display is blank or flickers, power down, reopen, reseat the cell, and clean contact surfaces with isopropyl alcohol. This troubleshooting step fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.